Okay, so I've been driving. Now I rented a car. Nobody used blinker.
Blinker?
Yeah, this. No work? Nobody used nobody used it. Nobody, just everybody just like this. How much is a ticket?
No, they take the bike.
Alrighty guys, what is going on? Hey, if you've been paying any attention, you know that I'm in Rome, Italy, and who would I be if I didn't go to the local Indian motorcycle of Rome? They say Indian motorcycle of Roma. And I want to show you guys a little bit about this dealership. Let's go. First of all, first bike I see right out the floor, the Indian. Oh, hey, what? We got Minnow and Miss Road Raven. Oh, hang on, you guys want to check out this? Look at how amazing this shirt is. Oh, it's so good. It's so freaking good. And that bike, by the way, that bike is a customer's bike, but it's right here. Can we move this one? This one, going to move it? Of course, I come in here and I start asking for all of this stuff, and I'm a pain in the butt. But yeah, this is the one that's on that bike, or the, what do you call it? T-shirt. So cool. This one's a customer's bike, yes?
Yes.
Yeah. You guys want to meet these guys? All right. What's your name?
Andrea.
Andrea. And you're the owner?
I'm the owner, yeah.
Nice. And then what's your name?
Adriano.
All right, nice. So these guys are cool. Also, what I thought was really interesting about this place was they only want to work on American motorcycles, only Indian motorcycles and Harley Davidsons. That's it.
Yeah, like for the service, yes.
For the service, but yeah. you only sell Indian
or the used when you retire. Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So they do have some Harley Davidsons traded in. They got some good apparel. They got it all over here, you guys. I mean, we got every brand, everything except for No Pursuits.
No Pursuit yet.
Oh, and Chieftain? No Chieftain.
No Chieftain. There are not bike in Italy. Now we are waiting they arrive.
Oh, yeah, right. That makes sense. They do have some FTRs, though. Look at how beautiful. Oh, they have an EFTR for autumn. Huh, Minnow? Yes. And then they got the carbon. Oh, it's just... Hey, this bag.
Yeah, that we made.
That's your bag?
Yes.
All right. What's the name of the bag?
And Scuoio. ENDS Scuoio.
Hang on.
This, you can see the...
Oh, this is, you made the seat too?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Check that out. And then these bags on this one are the same brand. Ends Seal. Cuoio?
Cuoio. That means leather, the bull leather.
Oh, okay.
Strong, very strong leather.
Wow. These are really nice. You said you make these for Indians and Harleys, both?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, here, the cards here.
Triumph, BMW.
Oh, some BMW, bunch of brands.
Yeah, BMW, Triumph, Moto Guzzi.
Italian leather.
It's it's Italian leather, which is special for Americans, but Italian, you see it every day. Oh, you got, man, I bet you this sounds good with that Two Brothers. It sounds very good, huh?
Yeah, it's so noisy.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what.
Americans love noisy.
In Italy, police don't love too much.
Dude, is there,
Police.
yeah, the police, they don't like the loud?
No.
Can you get a ticket?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How much is a ticket
No,
if it's too loud?
they take the bike.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Really?
With that, yes.
Wow.
If they want, you know, in the most you go to the north, the most there are a problem.
Really?
Yeah, we are in the
central.
in the center.
Yeah.
They allow a little bit to go, but if you go on the north,
So what if you go south? No rules?
less. When you go south, less rule.
But man, that's crazy to take your bike. So in the United States, there's a couple of places that you can get a ticket if it's too loud. Also emissions, the pollution. Do you know the pollution?
Pollution, yeah.
Yeah. So a couple of states will like test the pollution. If it's too much, you can get in trouble where you have to fix it or whatever. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, but man, I can't believe to take your bike. Not even just a fine, like give me 100 euros and then,
No, they
No.
take the bike.
oh my gosh.
They take the drive license too.
Oh, you're,
Yeah.
oh my gosh. What about, so I've been driving. Now I rented a car. Nobody used blinker.
Blinker?
Yeah, this, no work. Nobody used. Nobody used it. Nobody, just everybody just like this. Also, 2 lanes. There's 2 lanes. Nobody cares. 3 lanes. Everybody goes together.
Yeah, the rules. You know, we are
Yeah.
in the center. If you go on the south,
Okay.
less. In the north, they use more.
Okay. Well, I'm going to Switzerland, so I better remember the
Switzerland's
rules.
perfect. Rules,
All the rules.
whatever.
Yeah, I have to do everything.
Yeah.
I will say that I've seen a lot of scooters. Vespa.
Yes.
Why did you not open a Vespa dealer? Why Indian motorcycle?
Oh, I like Indian, so I don't like Vespa.
Yeah.
I like old Vespa, but not new Vespa.
Okay.
I love Indian. That is something I like, so I really do it. This is not the job, it's something that is a passion.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, I mean that's the right answer. That's what we want to hear. It's exciting because it's not easy. Indian motorcycle in Italy, it's not easy. You don't sell a lot. You're working very hard to sell these bikes.
Selling a few.
Yeah, because it's still new and still growing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
As you guys can see, the passion is real. For this guy, to open a dealership, I think there's not a lot of dealerships. Only Rome, right?
Yes. Only.
And then Florence maybe one.
Florence. There is on the east. There is Pescara.
Okay.
Then on the north there are a lot.
Okay.
Milano. Near Milano there are 3 or 4.
Okay. Okay.
Then Verona. Yes, there are. Most is in the north.
Okay. Well, I'm going north, so I'm going to be excited to see them up there too. But here's the deal. I'm going to tell you guys, the Colosseum is amazing. City center of Rome is amazing. All that old and the history of Rome is amazing. But when you come here to see that, we're only like a half hour out of that. You guys have to come here to Indian Motorcycle Roma. It's very nice. There's a restaurant right across the street. There's I saw Ferrari yesterday when I was here. You guys gotta come and say hi to these guys. If you're a motorcyclist and you're in Rome and you ride a Harley or you ride something and you want a new motorcycle, come here to Indian Motorcycle of Roma and test these bikes. You let people test them?
Yeah. With some bikes, yeah. Now we have a Sport Chief.
Oh, okay.
You have a
Challenger.
Challenger, che altro che abbiamo? Da provare. And Scout Bob.
And Scout Bomber. So if you want to come and test an Indian motorcycle and you want to see why it's so awesome, come here to Indian Motorcycle of Roma and test one. And the bike will tell you why it's awesome. Just like you rode the Bobber, you said for the first time and you loved it.
Yes.
It will do the same for you too. So give it a test. I know it's new to Italy. Indian Motorcycle's newer to Italy, but you guys got to give them a try. These guys are great guys. By the way, all you American guys and gals, this seems really cool. All this leather works. He has seats, all kinds of good stuff. So check him out there too. He said that that he sells a lot to the United States, so we're already supporting that brand. Some of my friends have this already, so I already knew a little bit about it, had seen it before, but I got to learn fun details about it. So anyway, guys, this is Indian Motorcycle of Roma. So till next time, ride hard, ride fast, and say hi to somebody you don't know. Peace. Ha 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 ha!